Good day everyone. If you want to hide apps on your phone, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it on your Android phone. As you can see on the screen, these are the apps I'm having. I have several apps installed, including Facebook. So for this demonstration, I will be using Facebook. So I want to hide Facebook app. So the first thing you do, go to your setting, tap on setting, scroll down, you see security, tap on security, you scroll down, you see privacy and app encryption, tap on it. So here you will enter your password. It might not be displaying because of for security purpose. You verify the new password. Sorry. It has been verified. The next session here, you'll be asked some security questions. What you answer those questions. What was the name of your elementary school? You put it there. Question 2. What was the name of your childhood best friend? You put it there. Ensure that you probably have this jotted somewhere in case if you forget your password in future. You tap done. You can see here. So this is the two options you are having. Down here you have hide app and you can see view hidden apps. This hide app, that's where you can hide your apps. View hidden apps, that's where you can view all the apps that are hidden. You go to your hide app, you will see the list of all the apps installed on my phone. You want to hide Facebook, you tap on Facebook. You can see it has been marked. Hide Facebook. Apps will be closed when they are hidden for the first time or when automatically hidden after using. So tap on OK. When you are done, that's all. You can now go back to the home screen. When you check again, you can see Facebook is no more here again. If you want to use it, go back to setting, go to scroll down to security, you scroll down to privacy and app encryption. So you enter your password. There's another section here showing enable fingerprint and facial authentication. If you want to enable fingerprint and facial authentication, tap on turn on and then you input your phone password. So when you are done, this is where you can view your app that you're adding. You can see the Facebook you're adding is here. If you want to use it, you can press it, tap it, then you can use it. When you are done using it, it will still remain hidden. Like this one, I'm done using it. If you close it, you go back to your home screen, you can see Facebook is still hidden. So if you want to use it again, you go back and use it and it will still remain hidden. However, if you want to remove it from hidden, you go back to your security, go back to privacy and app encryption, then input your password and then you see hide app. Tap on hide app. You can see Facebook is marked here. You can tap it, it will be unmarked. Then you can go back to your home screen. You can see Facebook is back. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to follow Movemarks for more useful tips, tricks and tech updates. Thanks for watching.